So hey guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video I am not going to talking about any job requirement or any other things. So today is Saturday, and I just want to create a sketch and making a sketch. So in this video you have to find some sketches which is drawn by me by using the pencil. So let's go. After a long period of time I am going to draw sketch, because school days and college days I am creating like some kind of sketch like Saraswati and some Hanuman. So in this video I am going to draw a bird sketch who is sitting on the stones. Okay, so it is a natural sketch. Let's go. So please guys, before I start my video session, you have to please subscribe my channel, so that you can get all the notification of my all the videos. And guys, please watch this video till the end. I hope you enjoy this sketch. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, let's see up sketch I am going to draw. Okay, so guys, I am going to draw this sketch. So I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, let's get started. So this is my copy. गाइस अभी आधे घंटे हो गए काम करते हुए. सो लेट्स सी हाउ मच कंप्लीटेड. So guys, finally it is completed, and let's see how it's look like. So guys, please rate it out of 10. So please comment in the comment section box. So